Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. In today's video, we are going to learn how to create a WhatsApp chatbot for your audio engineering services business. If you run an audio engineering services, then handling client inquiries can be very hectic and time consuming. So with the help of Pabbly Chatflow, we are going to create a WhatsApp chatbot which will send details and automate this whole process of inquiry for us. Now if you want to learn how to create this amazing chatbot, then let me take you all to my screen. This is the chat flow that I have created with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Before we begin the procedure of creating this amazing chatbot, let me show you how it works in a real-time example. And for that, let me take you to my WhatsApp screen. We have arrived on my WhatsApp screen. To activate the chatbot, the user is supposed to send a message first. So here I am going to send hello, and immediately the chatbot responds us with welcome to our audio engineering studio. I'm here to help you with quotes, services or projects. Choose an option below. So here I'm going to choose get a quote. Let's get you a quote. Please tell us what service do you need, project length, duration and your deadline if any. So here we are going to respond them with project type, needs and reference. And the chatbot will respond us with thanks for the details. We have registered your details as project type, music track, hip hop beat, needs, mixing and mastering with a focus on clean vocals and strong bass. Reference, please match the vibe of Travis Scott Goosebumps. We will review your info and reply shortly. Do you need further assistance now? And we have an option to contact support. So I'm going to click on it. And our chatbot will provide us with support executive's number and email address. So this is the chatbot that we have created with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now to create this chatbot, first you need to open a new browser tab. In a new tab, enter pabbly.com/chatflow. It will take you to the main landing page of Pabbly. If you are an existing user, click on sign in. However, if you are a new user, click on sign up for free. Since I am already an existing user, I will click on sign in. Once you sign in, you will see all apps provided by Pabbly. We need to access Pabbly Chatflow. So click on access now and it will take you to the Pabbly Chatflow dashboard. On the left side of the screen, you will see all the features provided by Pabbly Chatflow. We will go through all the features one by one. First, we have dashboard, which gives us an overview of chatbot's performance, recent activities and stats. Next we have is inbox. Here we can manage and reply to all the incoming customer conversations. Next up we have contacts. It stores all the details of users who have interacted with your chatbot. From here you can view and manage them. Then we have team queues. It helps us in assigning conversations to different team members for better handling and faster responses. Next up we have template. It is a pre-built template which you can use directly or customize accordingly to your needs. It saves a lot of time. Next up we have broadcast. It allows you to send bulk message or announcement to multiple users at once. Then we have flows, where you can create and manage your chatbot conversations and create chat flows. Then we have AI Assistant, a feature to integrate AI-based smart responses, making your chatbot more interactive and intelligent. Then we have settings. It manages your account preferences, chatbot settings, integrations and notification options. From Get Help, you can access support, documentation, FAQs or options to connect Pabbly customer service if you need any assistance. You can add your WhatsApp number on Pabbly Chatflow. From here, click on Add WhatsApp Number. Then you will get two options, WhatsApp Connect Beta and Manual Token Connect. Click on Manual Token Connect and this will ask for Meta Access Token. You have to generate Meta Access Token from Facebook Meta for developers. Once you generate your access token, you can update it here. Here you can see all the credits allotted, credits consumed, credits remaining and the amount of numbers you have added here. To know more about how to add WhatsApp number, you can watch this video here. Now let's begin the process of creating Chatflow. For that, go to Flow section and then click on Flows. You will reach at Flow Builder page. Here you can see total number of flows, your active flows and inactive flows. To create a new flow, click on Add Flow. A new flow has been created. So when we create a new flow, it is initially named as Untitled. So we are going to name it something more relevant. For example, WhatsApp chatbot for audio engineering service. Now you can see there is a flow start feature on our screen, under which there is an option to enter keywords. This is used to enter some general keywords which can activate the chatbot. However, there is another option to enter regex. Regex is short term for regular expression. It is a special pattern or sequence of characters used to filter specific text. To use regex, we need to use a specific format, which is this. Now, this regex will safely trigger on every keyword, whether it's a short text, full paragraph, messy input or clean input. It can activate the chatbot with any word. You can also enable toggle for case-sensitive regex. Once you're done with your basic setup, we can start with curating our first message. And for that, you need to access the text button. Once the message box has appeared in front of us, we can add any message. Here I'm adding, "Welcome to our audio engineering studio. I'm here to help you with codes, services or projects. Please choose an option below." So here I'm going to provide some quick reply options using this add button. Click on it and here you can add any quick reply. So here I'm adding get a quote. And here I'm adding another option which says services offered, and lastly I'm going to add an option to contact support. Once you've generated your first message, you need to link it with the flow start box. Now that we have generated our first message, we need to generate a reply or response for each of the quick reply options. Let's begin with get a quote. And to do that, you need to go to the action type notes and then you need to access the ask question box. So here I'm going to add, let's get you a quote. Please tell us what services do you need, project length or duration, and your deadline if any. Here you can see there is an option to select contact custom field. And to select contact custom field, you need to create one first. And to do that, you need to save your flow. And once the flow is updated successfully, you need to go to the settings and then choose this third option that says contact custom fields. Click on it. Here you can see some default custom fields are there, under which here we have created contact custom fields. To create a contact custom field, you need to click on add one more field, and here you can add field name and enter description of the field, and then you will be able to access it under question box. For example, here I have created this add field under which you can add any description. We are going to access this one. So here I will delete this one. Once you have created your field successfully, click on save and you can go back to your flows. Once you have created your contact custom fields, you can select it from the drop down. Here I'm going to select add, and as format I'm going to select any. Now link it with the get a quote reply. So here I'm going to access another text button. And here I have added thanks for the details. We have registered your details as $add. This will be replaced by the details the user has sent us. We will review your info and reply shortly. Do you need further assistance now? Now we are going to add an option where the user can contact support. So here I'm going to write contact support. And we will link this quick reply option with another text button, and here I'm going to add, and our message will look like this. Here's how you can reach us. Contact support on this number and email us at this email address. Once we are done with our first response, we can move on to the next, which is services offered. So here I'm going to add, our message will look like our core audio services, mixing and mastering 3,000 per project, podcast editing 2,000 per hour, film sound design, custom code. Do you need any further assistance? Again, we are going to add an option to contact the support executive, contact support, and we are going to link it with the same message where we have shared the contact support executive details. Lastly, we are going to link this contact support option with the same box where we have shared the detail of the support executive. And our WhatsApp chatbot for audio engineering services is completed. This chatbot can handle code requests, send service detail, and forward the issue to our contact support executive. Now you can create your own chatbot following the same steps that I have shown in this video. Thanks for watching. Not only this chatbot, you can create multiple such chatbots with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. Now if you have any doubts, you can email us at support@pabbly.com. If you have any queries, you can write them on forum.pabbly.com, and if you have any pricing related issues, you can visit our website given over here. So what are you waiting for? Sign up today and try it for free.